而家呢，維持喺第3街啊，留意到呢，呢度有一個叫做奇趣同樂館。另外呢，其實都仲有另外一個位呢，叫做咩？娛樂里公共休閒空間喎。咁就喺第3街咁啊，嗰個 Nova 嗰度上邊嘅。本來都冇諗住影嘅，但係見到原來個規模都唔細嘅喎。有個所謂嘅即係公共休憩空間，條樓梯又幾靚仔喎。所以呢，諗下都係上去望一望先。So this is an unplanned video. I just walked past this area and noticed here is a public area for sitting out. 奇趣同樂館啊，唔知咩嚟嘅呢？Usually, this kind of places are when this residential building was planned to build, and they have agreed they have an agreement with the government. They have to build a public space. And this is one of them. Usually they make this place looks like private, so that when people walk past, they never notice. And that is one of the common technique of those developers, because they want to make a quiet area. Let's say if this is overcrowded, they need more costs to maintain, and also it might not be the best for this for these residents. But this building is quite interesting. 咁啊，基本上都係一啲佢哋發展商嘅伎倆嚟㗎啦。佢哋咧就好喜歡咧，令到一啲即係佢攞呢笪地嘅時候咧，其實佢係需要去即係同政府有一個 agreement 啦。咁就去建造一個公共空間出嚟嘅。但係佢一般嚟講咧，都會將呢個公共空間咧做到好似一個私人地方咁樣。 咁呢度呢，就有啲講述啦，關於呢個地方啦。咁我就唔會讀㗎啦。咁讓有興趣嘅人士呢，咁就慢慢睇返啦。So they have got some information here as well, but I'm not going to read them. I'm not going to read them all. And for those who are interested, you may just pause, just press pause and read them through.19世紀嘅西營盤，英國人喺上環嘅水坑口就登陸。The British Navy landed at the possession point. I will visit the possession point one day as well, but I still haven't got this chance. I actually planned to visit there today, but I woke up too late and missed the best time to visit both Sai Ying and the possession point. 咁我都諗住去呢個水坑口行一行嘅揾日。咁今日太遲出門口啦，錯失咗最佳嘅攝影時間。唯有就淨係嚟西營盤啦。有關西營盤里唐樓嘅展覽 ，OK。So these are some information. I hope they are clear enough to read. And as you know that my English is not that good, so if I read them all, it would be very tired for me. So they welcome me to go inside to listen for this. But I'm not too sure, but I guess there is some kind of copyright, so I will just skip that part. So the rooftop is there. I don't think we can see this very clear because it's quite dark here now. Okay, it doesn't matter. Wooden floor, 木製嘅樓板梁啊 ，wooden floor beams.磚牆 專長就呢啲啦，專長。木製法式門窗 ，OK。So木樓梯。This used to be a staircase going up there. Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ 好啦，要出返去啦。我諗呢度應該就係閂門啦。I may have missed out this one. And the little chair, little stove. It might be too dark to see this now. It is actually trying to I think that's a hairdresser making a haircut of a kid. And here is a little resting area, or we call them the sitting out area. And also they have got a few restaurants here as well, restaurant or bar. And if I keep walking, I will see here is the Center Street. 咁一路行落嚟咧，就見到呢個正街啦。咁剛才咧就穿過就見到有呢兩間酒吧咁樣啦。嗱，咁呢段片咧就嚟到呢度先。咁我哋下段片再見啦。我諗我應該咧會行一行呢個正街啊。OK，see you next time，拜拜。